Welcome to this short tutorial providing a brief explanation of DreamEye's various offerings and how to launch them. Patients engaging in the action game will be immersed in a virtual environment, equipped with a remote in one hand to aim at floating and stationary objects within the VR setting. The goal of the game is to propel balls towards targets such as balloons, trolls, and diamonds to accumulate points. The puzzle game offers patients a virtual puzzle world where you use a remote to aim at blue diamonds. Activate them and watch water flow from barrel to barrel. Your goal is to guide the water into the bottom barrels. It's a fun and stimulating game, perfect for exercising your mind in VR. Calm offers entirely passive and relaxing VR therapies, allowing patients to effortlessly float through various soothing environments. The journey begins with a tranquil tropical beach at sunset, creating a serene atmosphere. Patients can enjoy accompanying soothing music that enhances their overall experience during this calming journey. To begin, put on the headset and pick up the right-hand controller, easily identified by a purple circle. When choosing either the action or puzzle game, a menu will appear, giving you the option to launch the game or calibrate before launching. We recommend a seamless experience by simply choosing to launch and go, preferably without glasses. If calibration is necessary, select the Calibrate Before Launch option and put on the headset. Select Confirm using the trigger button on your controller. Then follow the white circle with your eyes without moving your head. Sometime, calibration fails. You should readjust the headset tighter and make sure the lenses are wiped to improve visibility. Proceed again with the same steps. Once successfully completed, select Done using the trigger button. You will be automatically directed to the game. Remember, you can utilize the see-through button to pause the game and enable your patients to see through the headset. Enjoy our newest VR additions and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need assistance.